Hi guys, just back in our driveway extension job in Paignton. Just want to show you the finished results. So here we have the stainless gate that we made up all by hand. Obviously our engineer that done all our steel work for us, he's done this for us. All these pier caps re-rendered. These walls were redone as well because they were shocking before, so we've levelled them out, redone all these, extended through, same again, pier caps, and the driveway itself. The driveway originally was pretty much where the 3 is on the house, on the 83, coming down. We had to knock a pocket into the brickwork of the existing house, put a steel through, which comes out to the end of the driveway here, which we've got a concrete pad for it to sit on. And then from this point here, it extends with another steel going out to our other concrete pad, which you can see down the other side here. And that returns into another concrete pad, all done by structural engineers to ensure obviously the right calculations required for the job. And as you can see, it's all finished nicely with the glass stainless balustrade and going all the way through, which sets off really nice. We've got the glasses which are self-cleaning, so it's minimal cleaning we've got to do. And then obviously you've got the copings going down the perimeter of the driveway. And as you can see underneath there, where we've rendered the walls at the bottom of the balustrade in. So the original driveway was the old red pavers and stuff, which I said earlier was about where this 3 was. So we ripped all that up, taken it all apart, redone all the borders, and obviously done the paved driveway properly from start to finish, obviously extending it through. We also done in here as well. So we've done the front door, which is a nice new composite door, glazed panels either side, and then we've done porcelain entrance here, jointed up in the black basalt to finish it all off nicely, so it all blends in. So you've got a nice concept colour of nice greys and whites. So you've got a darker grey, lighter grey and the whites all blending right through, and the stainless theme going through on all the bits and bobs. And again here, this is the wall that we extended up. We had to redo. There's originally brick pillars there, so we've re-rendered it all. Same on the next door side, so it's all nice. Finished with the pier caps. And then going down these steps down the side here, you can see we've put stainless handrails going through. Because it's quite a steep stairway. There's nothing there before for the clients to grab onto whilst he's walking up. So while we're here now, the client obviously is very, very pleased with our work. So we're going to price up now down the lower half where there's block paving to redo all that as well to blend in with the driveway. If you like the progress of this job, guys, make sure you like and subscribe all of our channels. So YouTube, we've got Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok. So if you can like and subscribe to all of our stuff, any further content, keep posted on that way. Cheers guys.